I wanted to talk to you about what makes a good offer online that people will actually want to buy. They will continue to stay on board and they will share it with other people, and it actually helps them and solves their problem. So I've been doing courses and stuff like that since 2007, and I've made over seven figures, and this really does work. But you have to think about it in terms of not just selling somebody a course. People always say, well, why would I buy a course? Or nobody goes through courses. Well, you're right. They will go through the course, but they're not going to apply the information unless they have somebody there that is going. There's a rare few that will. But unless there's somebody there that can hold them accountable and kind of give them that push and inspire them and connect with them and talk with them, that's when action actually happens. And then when that does happen and they do get results, then they share that with other people, which helps you grow organically. So the three elements that work out to be this hybrid style program and approach, which I teach in my Build Lab program, you can go to makeones.com and check that out. It's very affordable. I'm just here to help. The thing that makes this thing work and has continued to work, I want you to imagine for a moment, you get to do something that you love every day, okay? Like, I'm here right now, and I'm just chilling. Let me show you this little spot. I don't know how well you're going to be able to see it. But I'm just sitting at this table right here, and I'm looking out at downtown Dallas, and I did my content for the day, and I'm creating this for you now just because I want you to have it. And, I get to live the life that I want to live. My whole goal is less time working, more time with family and friends, less time doing things that I hate, more time to explore the world, whether it's nature or cities or whatever. And I just want my time here to be impactful for people. I want people to be able to have a better life because of the information I'm providing. And you can do the same thing too. I just happen to love internet, and I just happen to love business. So by God, I started an internet business. When I first got started, the biggest mistake I made was trying to make this perfect product, or always hesitating or getting distracted with all these things when I had a 7-figure product in my head. You have a 6 or 7-figure product just in your head. And I was always trying to find something that people wanted instead of just being myself and talking and sharing about things that I love. And if you do that and create a course, okay, just get this course out of your head. Do you understand me? Like, get this right here out of your head. It's going to be ugly. It'll be lean, mean, and scrappy. But all you have to do is you have to realize that you just need, a good microphone. You can use Loom. I'm using ScreenFlow right now, but you could use Loom. It'll record you, the screen, and your voice. And then you just do a brain dump. Get all the crap out of your head, okay? Like, pick something that you're going to create. It doesn't matter what the heck it is. Just make sure it's something that you really love. Get it out of your head. Teach somebody something that you love to talk about, and that every time people hang out with you, they're like, oh, he or she's going to talk about this because they're so obsessed with it. And just teach that to somebody and get that first thing out of you. Okay, so just brain dump everything that those people need to get from point A to point B. Do you understand? Because that's what we're doing. We're getting people, please understand this. Everybody has a current situation, okay? And everybody has a desired situation. Whatever it is, you get paid when you get people over this gap. If they could get over the gap themselves, they don't need you. But they keep running into this brick wall that you can help them get over. And there's steps to get people across this path. Okay. So what I want you to do is I want you to create first this thing right here, this product. You got to create it. How you do it is you brain dump everything out of your head that shows somebody how to get from I don't know how to paint a picture to now I do, or I don't know how to do the proper workout, now I do. I don't know how to eat good, now I do. I don't know how to use online tools, now I do. I don't know how to write emails or post online, now I do. I do whatever it is. Okay. And you don't even have to show this product to anybody, but until you have something that you can make better, you can't make anything better. This was the mistake I made. You don't need to make it. Okay. Outline your product. Here's that current situation to desired situation thing I was talking about. Okay. Just keep the rule of 3. 3 bullet points. Explain those 3 things. Create 10 5-minute videos that teach somebody how to do something in less than an hour, and just get the damn thing created, please. Because once you have that, now you can say, I can make this better. I can improve this. And then just record it. Now you can get a cheap mic for $30 on Amazon, or I'm using my AirPods right now, and maybe it doesn't sound the best, but I think it's okay. And just record it. You can use Loom to record your screen, or ScreenFlow if you're on Mac or whatever. You can use Loom on anything. But just create it. Okay? Look what I did. I created some slides for you. And then all you have to do is upload it into system.io. Okay? Now I show you how to do all this stuff in my Build Lab program, but the point I'm getting at is this. Once you get it created, then you can add a community to it. Okay? There's a program we use called Skool to do this. And then you can go live once a week or twice a week like I do. I go live with my people every Monday and Thursday. They can get on Zoom with me personally. I can answer their questions. They can share their screen. Whatever it is you're talking about, you can do this too, because I've helped thousands of people do this stuff. Okay? You can go look at the testimonials on my website at makeonce.com if you want. Okay? Now, here's the thing. This makes it powerful because people need accountability. People need to be helped like that. But what if you had 1,000 people paying you $10 a month? What if that took you a whole year to get 1,000 people that paid you $10 a month? What if they paid you $20 or $30 a month? I mean, people will spend $100 a month on energy drinks, just having one of these every single day. That's what, the price that people spend on one of these each day, they could join my program and they could get help to learn how to build a 6- and 7-figure business that gives you time freedom and location freedom. In the past 90 days, I've been to 6 or 7 different places out of the country, in the country. And I'm not telling you that to brag. I'm telling you that because you're probably like I was. You want to do what you want to do, when you want to do it, how you want to do it. It's okay to like nice things. It's okay to want expensive things. It's okay to want quality in your life. It's okay to not do what other people want you to do. You don't have to work a 9-to-5 job that you hate. You don't have to work for somebody else. If you can work for somebody else and make them money, why can't you work for yourself and make you money? We've got this beautiful digital world. All you have to do is help people solve problems. And what you need to do is just, what are the steps? Teach somebody to get across here. Because once you build this first product, I call it your version 1, you can go back and make it better. You can improve it. You can give this product that you're making away for free and see if people actually want it. If they do, you can start charging for it. Okay, so I believe in you, but you have to get this first thing going. And this is the best setup. A simple course, a community, and some live weekly elements so that they can connect with you. That is really valuable to people. This can change your life, send you on a whole new trajectory. You can love waking up and doing you and enjoying you and helping people and sleep good knowing that what you're doing is making a real difference. So I hope this gets you to start, but just make that first one lean, mean, and scrappy, okay? And look, just brain dump whatever's necessary to get them across that line, okay? Get them across that gap. Your outline is going to be lean, mean, and scrappy. 10 videos, 5 minutes long. Just start there, okay? You can always do more. You can always do less, whatever, okay? Record it. Just have a good microphone. Make sure it's quiet. And use Loom. It's simple. No editing needed. And don't worry about messing up. Just do it, okay? And then you can upload it to a course platform like System.io, add the resources people need, give it to them for free. If they want it, great. Start charging for it after you've proven it out with people. And then keep building it. And then tell people about it. Post 3 times a day on your favorite platform talking about it and telling people how you can help them and actually help them. Okay? I hope this helped. And listen, I've got a program that lays this all out for you, and I'll work with you. It's called Build Lab. It's over at my website, okay?